Hello everyone. These are the winners of the seed giveaway that I posted a couple of days ago. You can look for your name on the list and see if you won. I did 8 instead of 7. I did 8 people, and I have a feeling there's one person who might not have been looking seed, but his name was there, and that would be Dave Busby. Dave Busby, if you didn't need any seeds, the next person that didn't win in line would be Dyra Rochester. So Miss Dyra will get seeds, Dave. So please post below and let me know if you didn't need seeds. Thank you. So if you're a winner, call my Google Voice number here at this number. It's 917-818-0493. 917-818-0493. Call that number. If the call could come through to me. If it didn't come through and a voicemail come on, you leave a message with your address. I need your address to mail your seeds. Okay? So call that number, and I'll put the number below underneath this video. Call and leave your information for your address so I could mail out whichever seed you requested. Also, you should respond by Tuesday, the 4th of March, midnight. After that, a seed giveaway is finished. I'm going to upload another video that I started explaining, some about some of the seeds and about how I grow my Scotch Bonnets, how I start them, and so on. As you see, this time I went new fashion, not old fashion like taking names out of a box or a hat. I went to Raffles, a website that picks names, and they came and picked the names. So that's why that's what I did this time, and I like it. The list was longer than the page, so I have to keep going up and coming down to show you. So look it's 8 people, so look for your name. The name did not appear there. I'm sorry. Next time. All right. But you can always go to my Etsy store and buy seeds, I'm just being cheeky. Thanks. I'm going to post the necessary links below, like my Etsy shop and my Amazon influencer page, and the phone number 818-917-818-0493 again for you to call, and any links will be below. All right. I just want to say I really appreciate all of you who stick around, even when I don't post sometimes. Sometimes I'm not feeling up to it. Sometimes I'm tired of YouTube. I'm tired of making videos, It's exhausting sometimes. Anyway, really appreciate everybody. All right? And you can always go find some of the seeds on my Etsy channel. My Etsy store, sorry. If you're thinking about any other seeds and you didn't mention it in your thing before I mail them out, you can post below and let me know what changes you want to make, if you don't want the seed you requested, and so on. All right. Thanks again. Appreciate you all. Norman Brown and Durwood Cox. You don't need to call that number. You have my phone number. Send me your address. Okay. Norman Brown, Durwood Cox. Send me your address again, please, to send out your seeds. All right, thanks. Happy gardening 2025. Plant a lot of stuff.